If you get into an accident, will your insurance pay for OEM parts? And if it doesn't, did you just get shortchanged? Today I'm going to explain what OEM actually means, how insurance companies decide what parts go on your repair estimate, and when paying extra for OEM coverage makes sense and when it may not. By the end, you will know how to avoid surprises before a claim ever happens. Hey everyone, Marquece here with Trailstone Insurance. Most people do not think about parts until they are staring at a repair estimate. You see something like an aftermarket fender or a recycled door shell, and your brain immediately goes to, is that safe? Will it fit right? Will my car drive the same? Is my resale value taking a hit? Those are responsible questions. That is exactly why OEM endorsements exist. So, OEM endorsement stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. But here's where people get confused. Many OEM parts are not physically made by the car brand itself. They are often made by major suppliers like Bosch, Denso, or Magna, and built to the automaker's specifications. That is why an OEM part may not even have Volkswagen or a Toyota stamp on it. It may say Bosch instead. In some cases, the exact same part can come off the same assembly line and be sold in a different box for a different price. So the conversation is not simply is OEM good or is aftermarket bad, it's actually more nuanced than that. So how does insurance decide when to use OEM parts? Most auto policies are written to restore your vehicle to pre-loss condition. That does not automatically mean brand new OEM parts everywhere. Estimates can also include OEM parts, aftermarket parts, used or recycled parts, and remanufactured parts as well. Many policies legally allow non-OEM parts as long as they meet standard fits for quality and performance. States regulate this differently, but the common standard is like kind and like quality. From an insurance standpoint, aftermarket parts often cost less and can still return the vehicle to pre-loss condition. Lower repair costs can help control premiums overall, and that is the economic side of it. Some carriers offer what is called an OEM endorsement or original parts replacement coverage. This usually means that covered repairs will use OEM parts when available. And that phrase matters, when available. As vehicles age, OEM parts can be discontinued, backordered, or simply not built anymore. Even when OEM coverage availability can limit what is possible. So, OEM coverage is not magic, it is a tool. And like any tool, it has its limits. Okay, so OEM tends to matter more when your vehicle is newer, you drive a luxury or specialty vehicle, or you care about resale value. The part affects sensors, safety systems, or calibration. In those cases, paying extra for OEM coverage can reduce disputes and protect the repair outcome you expect. It gives you fewer arguments on when claims are paid. Changing gears here. On the other hand, OEM may not move the needle as much when your vehicle is older. The part is cosmetic and high-quality aftermarket options are available, or you plan to sell the vehicle soon. This is not a one-size-fits-all decision though. It comes down to what matters to you. So here's the key. Do not wait until after the accident to think about this. Make sure you ask your agent, does this carrier offer OEM coverage for my vehicle? And what are the age limits? Does it require comprehensive and collision? What does when available mean for my make and model? If OEM repairs matter to you, add the endorsement before the accident. After a claim happens, you are operating under your policy you already bought. So, at Trailstone Insurance, we help you match coverage to real life. If you want to know whether OEM coverage is available for your vehicle and whether it makes sense for you, send us your declarations page and your vehicle details. We will walk you through it clearly, document everything, and help you decide confidently. OEM is not a magic word. It is a repair expectation. If that expectation matters to you, let's make sure your policy supports it. We will see you in the next video.